How to install Osmo Dashcam Pro. In this quick video, I'll show you specific steps for you to set up your Osmo Dashcam Pro. That is very easy. So all you have to do before you attach it into your windshield or maybe into the rear camera of the car, what you want to have to do first is to insert a micro SD card at the right side of the camera. It will just be clicking into one place. Now clean up the specific mount into your front cam on the windshield before you plug it in. Now once you've successfully set it up, all you have to do is to use the 12 volts attached into the car that you're using. But most of the cars usually does not have a built-in socket, which is going to be like this. All you have to do is to use a socket like this one that showing on your screen for you to be able to attach into the power supply. Now, once you successfully set it up, you can go back and use your mobile device, maybe your iOS or your Android device, to download the application, connect to Dashcam Wi-Fi, and from there you can be able to view, download, and share your live footage and recorded files on app. And that is how you install Osmo Dashcam Pro.